size. Hi, I'm Ian Barnett, Technical Sales Manager for DLF Seeds, and I'm here with Lucy Sellick of Raglan Golf Club. This Raglan is very much a phoenix out of the ashes. And Lucy, can you just tell us a little bit more about the course and how long you've been here?
Yeah.
Etc, etc.
So Raglan was an 18-hole golf course previously closed in 2018. Had another investor that came in, tried to open it up, but COVID happened. Taken over beginning of last year by a family, and then brought me on board in the September to redevelopment and bringing it back to life, basically. So we had a winter for a March opening.
It's fantastic. So we're on the 16th tee at the minute, and this was rebuilt.
I'd say sort of November, so late autumn, going into winter almost.
Wonderful, and seeded from scratch with J4 Turf 50?
Yep, seeded from scratch. Also no irrigation at all. So obviously the current climate have been a struggle with us with the reopening of the golf course, but no irrigation at all.
That's brilliant.
So when you look at this compared to the other areas on the golf course, predominantly clay, but there's a significant difference between them.
Nice. So we're on 16th fairway.
Yep.
Obviously we've been hit by drought.
Mm-hmm.
How are you thinking of future planning, or future proofing I should say, sort of maintaining fairway coverage?
I think for us it's always about seed varieties. That's the one thing we can control.
Yep.
Weather's just out of the question. Irrigation is a huge investment, but the right seed varieties, taking the advice and sort of putting them into the sward is our way forward, I think. Even on greens with disease resistancy and things, we've all got a kind of those integrated turf management practices, and seed choice has been one of them for me.
Excellent. So I know that you've overseeded with a 4-turf and strong creeper mixture on your fairways and also into your aprons, which we can see the difference.
Yeah. So,
and when was the overseeding done there? Was that?
So that would have been around the March, April time.
Yep.
Just before the dry weather hit us.
Yep.
We had a kind winter, which allowed us to do all the construction work. Hence why this is so thin and just heavy machinery. But yeah, we made a point of just getting on the aprons, overseeded those, and then literally we've been hit with no rainfall since. We are putting some seed in some areas when we got a rain forecast. But again, no irrigation to the aprons, but can clearly see there's a vast difference between the two areas.
Yeah, nice, smooth.
Yeah.
Right, we're now at the highest point, I believe, and we've got a good view of a couple of holes, and you can actually see in the background the beauty of the 4-turf tetraploid in action.
Yeah.
And it just shows that this drought is definitely something to think about, especially with your seed choices and whatnot, and hopefully that pays dividends to all that hard work that you're doing.
I mean, it's a clear point. I think we've catalogued a lot of images from you. You can see the progress of the golf course and how it's moved forward. But yeah, when you stand on there and see, it kind of makes me slightly annoying that we didn't get them all overseeded in the spring. But yeah, I mean, that's evidence there alone. Yeah, pleased with that.
Great.